There are not one, not two, not three, but 5 ways of saying the or the definite article in Haitian Creole. The 5 ways of saying the definite article in Creole are a, la, un, la, and na. But let us first begin with the word order of definite articles and the rule for plural words. In Haitian Creole, the definite article always comes after what you're saying. For example, suppose you want to say the car in Haitian Creole. That would be machine na. Notice how the definite article na comes after machine or car. As for plural words, always say yo after what you're trying to say. It doesn't matter how a word ends, always say yo after if it is plural. For example, suppose you want to say the cars in Haitian Creole. That would be machine yo. As you can see, because cars or machine is plural, you would say yo at the end. Now let us begin with the 5 forms of the definite article. A, la, un, la, and na. The definite article you use depends if your word ends with a nasal or non-nasal vowel. The nasal vowels you need to focus on are and on. The non-nasal vowels you need to focus on are a, e, I, o, and u. Now don't worry, choosing the right form of the definite article is easier than you think. It's really about matching sounds. For example, which sounds better? Kabon la or kabon na? Clearly, kabon na sounds better. It simply flows better. So as you keep practicing Haitian Creole, these rules will become natural to you, and choosing the right form of the definite article will be automatic. Now let us go over when to use each form of the definite article. Use a when a word ends with a non-nasal vowel. Suppose you want to say the coffee using the Creole word café. You should use the definite article a because the Creole word café ends with a non-nasal vowel a. As a result, the coffee is caféya in Haitian Creole. Use la when a word ends with a non-nasal vowel followed by a consonant. Suppose you want to say the book using the Creole word livre. You should use the definite article la because the word livre ends with a non-nasal vowel e followed by the consonant v. As a result, the book is livre la in Haitian Creole. Use when a word ends with a nasal vowel. Suppose you want to say the shark using the Creole word requin. You should use the definite article because the word requin ends with the nasal vowel en. As a result, the shark is requin in Haitian Creole. Use la when a word ends with a nasal vowel followed by a consonant. Suppose you want to say the smell using the Creole word sent. You should use the definite article la because the word sent ends with the nasal vowel followed by the consonant t. As a result, the smell is sent la in Haitian Creole. Use the definite article na when a word ends with the letter M or double N to create a trailing sound. Let's connect back to our first example for a bit. Suppose you want to say the bed using the Creole word cabane. You should use the definite article na because the word cabane ends with double N or as the trailing sound n. As a result, the bed is cabane na in Haitian Creole. And that's it. These are the basic rules to using the definite article correctly in Haitian Creole. And remember, don't worry too much about memorizing all the different rules. The key is to practice speaking Creole regularly. As you do, these rules will become natural to you. For more videos and lessons like this, please subscribe and visit howtocreole.com. Thanks for watching.